हेलो हाय स्टूडेंट्स गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning, sir.
मैं थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया। ठीक है, सो वी हैव completed first module and we'll be starting with the second one. I hope everyone has written present, sir. Okay,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so if you can see my screen. चलो let's start then. ठीक है, ये फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल में जो था ना 39. ओके, ग्रेट नंबर. Okay, so we are into second module. First module हो गया. I'll give you notes in a few minutes after this lecture itself. ठीक है, important questions कौन से, मतलब questions basically कौन से, I was figuring it out. Creativity and innovation, the part which is there in the first module, this is the new one. Okay, in the syllabus, it was not there in the earlier syllabuses. This first time introduced. So I collected some information from here and there, and then I was figuring out what questions can be asked. Okay, from exam point of view. From the explanation point of view, I hope you have understood it. ठीक है, एक दिमाग में एक आइडिया आ गया है, हु इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, वो करता क्या है, देन व्हाट इज अ क्रिएटिविटी, हाउ अ क्रिएटिविटी कैन बी डेवलप्ड, हाउ अ आइडिया कैन बी डेवलप्ड. ओके, तो ये सब हो गया अभी ऑलरेडी. ये सब वी हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड, वी हैव डिस्कस कि हाउ टू क्रिएट एन आइडिया, हाउ टू गेट अ प्लान, what can which things can generate an idea. Okay, like your complaints, egos and passions can generate the idea, and how creativity is linked to your resources, how creativity is linked to your knowledge, how creativity is linked to your environment which you are staying in. Okay, so your plans will be in such a way that whatever you have seen, whatever knowledge you have, that plan can be generated in your mind. Okay, so the more knowledge you have, the more general knowledge also you have, the more you meet people, talk to people, ask them, hear their complaints and whatever, do all those stuffs, then your what do you say, your mind can be opened, and then you can generate ideas, and your understanding of many things will increase. Okay, so after that, ये सब होने के बाद में we'll design a business plan or business model or business model canvas. So second module is all about how to implement that idea and make it and give it a form of a business. ठीक है, if you are getting an idea, we have discussed how creativity and how innovation can help you to build an idea, and how an entrepreneur develops an idea. तो आइडिया आने के बाद में उसको बिजनेस फॉर्म में हाउ टू ब्रिंग इट इनटू, एंड हाउ टू कमर्शलाइज इट, हाउ टू सेल इट. ठीक है, because selling is the next important and the most important part of a business, if it wants to stay in the market. Government's hypothesis of sales maximization, sales के ऊपर maximization का था उसका. तो sales is the integral part of business. Okay, तो sales करने के लिए or else uh, just to make aware of your product to the customers. So what will be your 4P, your 7Ps, if it is a service or if it is a product, how can you benefit your business, what is your business model, ये सब जो सब कहानी है ना, ये सब इधर देखेंगे हम लोग, ये वाले मॉड्यूल में. ठीक है, सो वी हैव डेवलप्ड क्रिएटिविटी. कि कैसे लेके आना है, how to implement, what are the different ways to solve problems using creativity. Then we have discussed about innovation. Okay, how a invention along with commercialization. ठीक है, कुछ मैंने बनाया है और उसको आई एम, वो जो चीज़ बनाया है, इफ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दैट थिंग फॉर द public, okay, or else I'm going to sell it to the public for their usage, then I can consider it as an innovation. So creativity or innovation, say we have got ideas, and to implement that ideas is our main focus of this module. Implement कैसे करेंगे, ओके, आइडिया तो आ गया है, ठीक है, बल्ब तो जल गया, यूरेका मोमेंट, देर इज अ यूरेका मोमेंट इन आवर लाइफ, ठीक है, बल्ब लिट हो गया अभी, टू टू सेल दैट बल्ब, ओके, वी नीड सम प्लान, we need to develop some model, okay, to sell that, to sell our product, we need to manufacture our product, or we need to give it to some third party to manufacture, or whatever it is. So there are some cost involved, there is some sales involved, there is some customer relationship is involved, and revenue generation will be happening, ठीक है। तो अभी उसके पहले है ना, देर आर सम, मतलब देर आर फ्यू पीपल हु हैव creative ideas, that creative ideas can be creative for them, but it is, what do you say, useless ideas also we can call. Okay, just for example, this is an umbrella for shoes, okay, so if okay, shoes ये तो लड़कियों के लिए है, so if girl is wearing this shoes, your the shoes will not get wet in rain, okay, so it is a kind of a protection. It seems very useless कि अरे shoes को, we have a bigger umbrella which protects us, protect our entire body, but shoes generally get wet because we are, if we are walking, तो ये special umbrellas है shoes के लिए, ठीक है, it looks like very useless innovation, but there are people who are using it, ठीक है, जापान में ये इन्वेंट हुआ है, ठीक है, सो ये मतलब दिस इज नॉट अ काइंड ऑफ इन्वेंशन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, ये इन्वेंशन ठीक है, ये भी है, बट फ्रॉम दिस काइंड ऑफ इन्वेंशन यूजफुल इन्वेंशन कैन बी जनरेटेड, ठीक है, so there are many small inventions like that which will have very few customers, or it will be a kind of a useless innovation, but they exist, according to them, that is their creativity. So for everyone, something they have manufactured, something they have built, it is their baby, so they love it कि हाँ ये मस्त बनाया है, ये देख मस्त है करके, but for other one to think that is must, then it should be useful for him as well, ठीक है, एक और था, ठीक है, he is you might have seen these photos I guess, so ये noodles they are hot, so while consuming you can put a fan just attached to a matchstick, sorry, this क्या बोलते हैं इसको, uh,
Chopstick.
हाँ
Chopstick.
चॉपस्टिक्स, थैंक यू चॉपस्टिक्स को मैचस्टिक बोल रहा हूँ मैं, हाँ, तो चॉपस्टिक्स को वी कैन अटैच अ फैन एंड देन उसको ठंडा करके वी कैन हैव इट, ऐसा करके इट इज बीन डिजाइन, ठीक है, तो ये थोड़ा यूजलेस ही है, स्पून और फोक को भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग, बट तो भी वो यूजलेस ही है, ओके, बट एक काइंड ऑफ इनोवेशन है, क्या सोच सकता है कोई भी, बिकॉज ऑफ कंप्लेंट, ये एक और है, ठीक है, ग्रास कटिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ साइकिल, यू डोंट हैव टू पुश दिस, यू जस्ट नीड टू राइड द साइकिल, तो उसमें गियर वाला साइकिल यूज किया देखो, तो एक्सरसाइज भी हो जाएगा, साइकिलिंग भी हो जाएगा, और ग्रास कटिंग भी हो जाएगा, ऑल इन वन, ठीक है, कुछ यूजफुल भी आता है, जैसे कि ये मेरे को है ना, आई फाउंड इट वेरी यूजफुल, ठीक है, बटर को वी टेक इन नाइफ और स्पून एंड वी अप्लाई इट ऑन द ब्रेड, बट ये अच्छा वाला, दिस इज नाइस राइट, it is like फेविस्टिक and we are using it to apply butter on the bread, वो evenly लग जाएगा bread को, so also a kind of a innovation, ठीक है, this is actually an invention. Innovation is when we can sell this product in the market, then we can say it as a kind of innovation कि हाँ यार कुछ useful हो रहा है करके, ठीक है, so my favorite this one, ठीक है, we don't find it in the market, it has very limited, yeah, but its usage is also मतलब very limited, also अभी just use किया मैंने, honey, if you have, ठीक है, हनी का अगर बॉटल है एंड यू पोर हनी इनटू maybe in your plate, then while retracting it, मतलब जब वापस ले रहे हैं ना, then the strain of honey remains, उसका जो धार लगा रहता है ना, it remains and it gets stick to the side of the bottle, ठीक है, many a times like that it happens like that, so in our home we have मतलब डाबर का there is a honey where it is a kind of what do you say, like टूथपेस्ट के जैसा उसका शेप है, बट हाँ टूथपेस्ट का जो कवर रहता है उसके जैसा शेप है, सो आई कैन एक्सट्रैक्ट इट एंड द ओपनिंग इज वेरी स्मॉल, ओके, सो इफ आई रिट्रैक्ट इट, वापस मैं रखता हूँ ना, तो द स्ट्रेन डजंट कम, ठीक है, इट गेट्स, so that is also a kind of a small innovation, Okay, just like this butter stick. And also in India, we have a lot of things like जुगाड़. ठीक है, जैसे आंटी प्याज काट रही है, so that she doesn't have tears in her eyes, so she has worn a helmet, okay, to avoid those tears. So that can be done. That is just an idea कि हाँ ये इसको avoid कैसे करें. So we call many a times जुगाड़ करके बोलते हैं इंडिया में. So this person has converted a motorcycle into a passenger carrier. ठीक है, तो नहीं ऐसे कुछ जुगाड़ रहता है. So from this kind of a जुगाड़, we can create something, we can innovate something. He might have a complaint that we don't have a carrier in and around. So I'll use my motorcycle itself to make a passenger carrier or a goods carrier also. तो एक काइंड ऑफ अ जुगाड़ जैसे हम वी वेरी वेरी वेल ये करे. ठीक है, these people doesn't have any switchboard, so they have used this unused can to make a switchboard out of it. So the live wire is coming like this. It is going inside this opening, and then this sockets are have been attached to this. तो ये भी एक काइंड ऑफ जुगाड़ हो गया, इनोवेशन हो गया. So by these small innovations, there are many funny innovations. You can just search it around. ठीक है, बहुत सारे funny innovations रहते हैं, funny ideas रहते हैं. But sometimes those funny ideas can be implemented. Like AirPods का भी है ना, ऐसे ही idea generate हुआ था. Because people, the wires of uh, earphones were getting entangled, and people were trying to figure out some or the other things. Okay, so that's how a Bluetooth device was. मतलब collar वाला जो device है, Ravi sir generally uses it. Okay, you must have seen. वो collar पे just wear it, and then we can use it as a Bluetooth device. From that, they have done a kind of a AirPods. कि ठीक है, चलो पूरे वायर सब निकाल दो. I'll just use the devices that will directly go into our ears. So AirPods ऐसा आ गया. So this is a kind of a one more thing. It is called as a disruptive innovation. Disruptive. Okay. Like earphones are there in the market, but you are manufacturing AirPods, which are just the replacement of earphones, and they do nothing. Just they have removed the wires. Okay, and the function is very much similar. Like earphones की तरह ही AirPods का भी the function is very much similar. But that innovation which has caused the earphones to get out of the market is called as a disruptive innovation. So innovation of an AirPod, okay, you have in the same market you have bought a new product and you're trying to replace some old product, then it is called as a disruptive innovation. तो इनोवेशन ही है, बट वो डिसरप्ट कर दिया, उसने खराब कर दिया पहले वाले इनोवेशन को, ईयरफोन्स को. Okay, which headphones did not do, because headphones are they are very much similar function, but they are very much different. But you will have to carry that bigger things, and you cannot put it in your pockets. But that's not the case with AirPods. AirPods में आराम से पॉकेट में डाल के ईयरफोन की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay, whenever you're not using, you can put it in the pocket. But headphones का ऐसे नहीं था. Okay, so AirPods which came as a disruptive innovation. So innovation के भी there are many types, okay, which was not there in the syllabus, and we मतलब इतना deep detail में जाने की जरूरत नहीं. So innovation भी एक kind of a new innovation can be there, which is a totally different product, not at all seen by anyone. Okay, uh, which has developed because of complaints, egos, or passions, or it can be very similar product, but kind of a, what do you say, no, modification of the old one. Okay, better version of old one, that can be there. ठीक है, तो ये सब करके ठीक है. Anyways, in today's lecture we are not going into detail of second module. I just go brief about it. ठीक है, तो ये सब innovation and ideas you have got. Okay, and now we need to go to exactly to implement the business plan. ठीक है, ये business किसी को तो plan देना है. Okay, तो एक plan तो बनाना है कि कैसे, ठीक है तुम्हारा idea है, ये implement कैसे करोगे. Okay, so you must have सबने डिग्री किया, तो in your degrees you must have heard about this. अच्छा हाँ, ठीक है ठीक है. Well, before that you need to make a sketch of a going to do, what is your idea for, who are the customers, what is your 4P, what is your 7P, whether it is a product or a service, what is your financial resources, how you plan to start your business, what is your prototype एक small product बना के रखेंगे कि हाँ ऐसा दिखेगा मेरा product. Okay, so ऐसे एक small prototype बनेगा, then you will approach bank or your friends or relatives to ask for money. Then what is your marketing plan, your HR plan, where you will manufacture the product, how you will sell, everything that you need to put it on a paper. Okay, put it in a book, put it in a file or a document. Okay, so you are approaching some people to for money for your business plan. So it is a sentence which just says most lenders care about your story, proof your idea works, and understanding of your customers and your financial plan, which often takes 5 to 10 pages. So like 5 to 10 pages ka plan will be there. Okay, that plan will include your story of your business कि करने क्या वाले हैं exactly, what is your idea and how you are going to implement, who is your exact customers and why they will buy it from you. वो customers तुमने identify किया कि customers को really they want to buy your product, मतलब will they be interested in buying your product exactly है या नहीं. Okay, you have manufactured maybe a chili flavored candy for kids. ठीक है, वो चिली फ्लेवर तेज वो तीखा है कैंडी. Okay, it is a chili flavor. So yeah, definitely your customers are children, but whether the children will buy the chili flavor candy, it's a questionable thing. Okay, उनको तेज क्यों खिला रहे हो? Candy is meant to be sweet. Okay, you cannot put chili into candy and sell it. Okay, your customers are definitely kids, but whether the customers will what accept it your product, that is the question. So दोनों साइड से it should be very much favorable. दोनों साइड से it should be there should be an agreement कि हाँ customers तुम लोग के कौन से customers है you have identified, but customers should also be willing to buy the product from you. तो ये एक पेज का 5-10 पेज का डॉक्यूमेंट रहेगा in which everything will be explained, and then you can approach for any funds. So from your degree, you have seen this, a business plan, a B plan banate, which will be starting with your objectives, what is your mission, key to success, product hai या service hai, what is your market analysis, you have done segmentation, you have done targeting, you're positioning your product in the market, then what is your price, please, promotion strategies, whatever, everything you are making a kind of a book in which you are putting all your plans. Okay, you are going into front of an investor or maybe your dad to present your business plan, and you are asking him half an hour तक मेरा सुनना पड़ेगा, बहुत बड़ा प्लान है. ओके, तो हाफ एन आवर तक उनको पकाएंगे कि हाँ ऐसा सोचा है, ये है मार्केटिंग प्लान है, ऐसा वैसा करके. ठीक है, उनको आधा टाइम तो सुनेंगे नहीं 15 मिनट्स, बाकी आधा टाइम 10 मिनट्स तुमको ही समझेगा कि हाँ क्या बताना है. तो इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ लेंदी एंड व्हाट यू से नॉट दैट इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोसेस explanation of B plan. Okay, even if he is a very much interested investor who wants to invest in your business and you're giving a full 5-6 pages का explanation कि हाँ ये क्यों चलेगा, who are the customers, what is my plan, ये सब करके, he'll pretty much get bored. ठीक है, definitely your business plan can be excellent, and your pitching, the way you're speaking may also be excellent, but the length of the time and the length of the plan will make him, will create a boredom for him. ठीक है, बोर हो जाएंगे कितनी देर से पका रहा है करके. ठीक है, तो इसको है ना थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज मतलब इम्प्रूव करने के लिए few people have came up with a business model. ठीक है, I'll just explain what is the implementation criteria, what is the concept. This is not the final figure. Okay, just an example. There are many business models. तो business model क्या है? Business model is what exactly your product offering is to the customer. जैसे if I tell a name of a company, अच्छा you can unmute your audio and reply. ठीक है, if I say a name of a company, what gets into your mind? ठीक है, मे बी अरे यार एप्पल, आईफोन, what thing, what is,
Brand,
yeah, brand.
brand,
Yes, if I say maybe Maruti. Maruti Suzuki?
Comfort. Comfort.
Comfort, or else cars at a lesser price. Average बहुत अच्छा देती है. If I say maybe Air India,
Good services.
गुड सर्विसेज. हाँ, अभी जो बंद होने वाला है. ठीक है. चलो अभी बॉयज के लिए मे बी हीरो होंडा. क्या था दिमाग में?
माइलेज सर.
माइलेज. हाँ, एक्सीलेंट. तो ये सब, दिस इज व्हाट इज बीन दिस कंपनीज हैव मेड यू अवेयर कि हम लोग ये करते हैं, हम लोग का ये स्पेसिफिकेशन है. दिस इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एज अ यूएसपी ऑल्सो. ठीक है. तो बिजनेस मॉडल क्या है? इफ लाइक लास्ट वन, अगर हीरो होंडा का, इफ दे आर स्ट्रेसिंग ऑन माइलेज, okay, and if I tell about Royal Enfield and they talk about mileage, then it will not be a in parallels. Royal Enfield looks के लिए और prestige और बहुत different things के लिए, mileage के लिए definitely नहीं है, but Hero Honda mileage के लिए है. तो your business model for Hero Honda is concentrating on mileage bikes, whereas for Royal Enfield you don't concentrate on mileage, you will concentrate much on looks and prestige of the customer. तो ये जो बिजनेस मॉडल है ना, यू विल जस्ट कीप दिस इन माइंड एंड देन यू विल डिजाइन एवरीथिंग योर प्रोडक्ट. अगर हीरो होंडा एकदम स्टाइलिश, एकदम हाई कॉस्ट, लो माइलेज वाला बाइक लेके आया, then nor the Hero Honda original customers will like it, nor the new customers will come to Hero Honda to buy it. तो उनका पूरा डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा, खराब हो जाएगा पूरा. तो बिजनेस मॉडल एक चीज है वेयर एग्जैक्टली यू पुट इनटू योर माइंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट यू आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. कौन से टाइप का प्रोडक्ट है जो मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हैं. जैसे आईफोन का, यू टोल्ड अबाउट ब्रांड, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ ब्रांड इमेज योर आईफोन हैज. It is a kind of a, what you say, Veblen product. ठीक है. Very few people will have it. Excellent kind of मतलब image quality because they don't concentrate on pixels. They concentrate much on the lenses. So excellent picture quality है. एक अलग ही क्लास है जो आईफोन यूज करता है. इफ आईफोन reduces the prices, ठीक है, अगर एक 10,000 में भी आईफोन मिलना स्टार्ट हो गया, then iPhone will lose its image, right? Because their business model is such that they are concentrating on Veblen product and prestige product. इसमें economics भी आ जाएगा. If price of Veblen goods reduces, the demand for Veblen good also decreases. ये भी आ जाएगा. So everything is very much pretty much connected. तो business model ये बोलता है कि ठीक है, तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट क्या है एग्जैक्टली, एंड द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट यू विल मैन्युफैक्चर विल बी मच सिमिलर टू दैट. इसको और मॉडिफाई करने के लिए और सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए बेसिकली बिजनेसेस केम अप विद अनदर थिंग. ठीक है. एंड दिस इज द थिंग विच यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन डिटेल, विच इज बिजनेस मॉडल कैनवस. ठीक है. ये एक पेज है, जस्ट एक कैनवस, ड्राइंग का कैनवस रहता है वैसे एक कैनवस है. इन द एंटायर कैनवस योर एंटायर प्लान विल बी डिस्कस्ड. ठीक है. एक जैसे एक इंडेक्स की तरह है. Okay, just like an index of a textbook, what that textbook contains. ठीक है. बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस प्लान है which goes around 50 to 60 pages. तो 50 to 60 pages के लिए just एक best kind of an index which will explain your entire business plan before going into detail. Okay. वो करेगा city. So it starts from, maybe I'll start from here. Customers. Who are your customers? What segment of customers you are targeting? What channels you are using to deliver the products to these customers, and what kind of customer relationship you are maintaining to retain the existing customers and to fetch new customers. तो ये तीन जो होगा, अरे so ये जो तीन हो गया, these are related to customers. So customers का everything will be included in this three boxes. Customer relationship, channels which you are using to transport your goods to these customers, और ये customers है कौन से, where they are situated, what is their knowledge, what is their requirements, ये सब customers. Then if I go here, value proposition. Value proposition क्या है? What is the value you are providing to the customers? You are not providing the product or services basically. Okay, like I have told you, save, लिख सकते हैं SAVE. Okay, it is just a kind of a what do you say, 4 P's of marketing का replacement है. Okay, you are providing solution, not the product. S stands for solution. Then you're providing accessibility, not the place for to your customers. Okay, then you're providing value to the customers. Okay, the price is not determined for that product. Price important, value क्या मिल रहा है customers को. If they are paying 10,000 rupees and they are buying a phone, then might be very happy with, and they will find that 10,000 was very less because the usage what जो use कर रहे हैं phone को, that they are finding it very, मतलब they are delighted, ठीक है, by using your phone. Okay, and just by paying 10,000. So 10,000 is not the price they have paid. 10,000 is the value which they have paid to get the product. वो product का value है, value for money which जो बोलते हैं. So that is the value proposition what your product is offering. फिर last में E था, वो education था, promotion नहीं है. You don't promote your product, you educate people about your product. ठीक है, 4 P's of marketing का जैसा replacement जैसा. ठीक है, then your key activities and your key resources. ठीक है, resources from where you will get manpower, from where you will get money, from where you will get your advertising budget, how you will do the advertising, that is your key activities. How you will do the advertising, how you will do your manufacturing of your product, marketing of your product, supply of your product, everything. ये सब key activities हो गया, where you will get raw material from, ये सब. Then you will also assign key partners. ठीक है, कौन, who will be our supplier, everything I'll as a company I'll not do. I'll keep on using partners. I'll outsource some product, some manufacturing of the product. Raw material में किसी और से मंगा रहा हूँ, तो he is my partner who is supplying me raw materials. I am distributing my products to a distributor, so he is my partner. He is taking care of the supply of my goods to the retail stores, so he is my partner. So I'll develop a kind of a supply chain relationship. ठीक है, तो सप्लाई चेन के पार्टनर्स हो गए, एक्टिविटीज हो गया विच इज रिलेटेड टू प्रोडक्शन, विच इज रिलेटेड टू एडवर्टाइजिंग, रिसोर्सेज वेयर आई एम गेटिंग मनी फ्रॉम, ये सब हो गया. देन आई कम टू मे बी कॉस्ट स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक है, नथिंग कम्स फॉर फ्री, सो कॉस्ट इज इन्वॉल्व. हाउ मच इज द कॉस्ट फॉर ईच एंड एवरी एक्टिविटी? सो आई kind of I'll write it down, cost structure क्या रहेगा, how much is the budget for each and every activities. I'll just mention it in this quadrant, in this box. And finally, and the most important, revenue streams. Okay, how much revenue I'm generating. By this quadrant, I'll come to know whether I'll be able to stand in the business or fail in the business. If I'm able to generate revenue stream, okay, as per the industry standard or as per my competitors, then I can say my model will or my business plan is efficient. ठीक है, it can work. तो ये एक पेज का explanation है, just a canvas, like a drawing which I have made, and we have made a kind of a quadrants. ठीक है, this is pretty much new. इसके लिए शायद many of you or maybe all of you might not know this business model canvas. It has recently been designed by a company called Simplifax. Okay, by Osterwald is a name of a person. Okay, he has designed this, and he just told, okay, there are a lot of pages in business plan and a lot of explanation is needed. So if you can explain your entire business plan in just one page, okay, we can call it as a canvas. So then you will get, the investor will get an idea what exactly it is. So if you just consider in one example like Netflix, okay, everyone know what is the company is about. Okay, so Netflix के customers कौन है? Netflix के customers, everyone is the customer who has a mobile phone and an internet, and who has a habit, not a habit, just a, what do you say, a time pass bhi hai. Movie, they can see movies, documentaries, series, Netflix originals, and many things. So customers, all are the customers who have mobile phones and internet connectivity in there. ठीक है, स्मार्टफोन्स है या फिर लैपटॉप्स पे, टीवी पे, सब जगह है. तो ऑल आर द कस्टमर्स. व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप दे आर, अच्छा, व्हाट आर द चैनल्स दे आर डिलीवरिंग? दे आर यूजिंग ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स. Okay, online delivery है, platforms, through the platforms. So they are sending their data or their product or service through these channels, and the customer relationship they are maintaining, they have kind of they send emails, they are on social media, where they develop the relationship with the customers, they keep on advertising, so they build customer relationship like that. Okay, they'll help you by sending emails. If some notifications in the Netflix app is there, so they'll keep on notifying you. So this is how they मतलब, maintain the customer relationship. Value proposition, what value they are giving, I can just segregate into three types. Okay, they what do you say? The basic structure is there. In 199 you will get for 1 month subscription. So you using that subscription you can watch all the movies in one screen. If you want to increase the screen to 2 or 3 or 5 and then HD quality, then the price increases. So that is the value they are providing. 199 mein ek subscription, then I don't remember, 699 mein there are two screens with HD quality or something like that. So they have given options to the customers what kind of value you require from our product or our service. Then key activities, key resources, key partners. So all this key wala thing is they have partnered with different companies, production companies who are producing movies, TV series. So they have partnered with them to provide the content from them so that the content is available for their customers. Then their activities, they have developed servers where they can store the movies. They have what do you say, resources जो भी है for Netflix originals, they hire people to work, to act, to direct, to make all the entertainment thing stuffs possible for them for their content. तो ये सब key activities और key resources है Netflix के. Then cost involved. So cost involved for maintaining the servers, for the people who they have hired for acting or for maintenance of their entire what do you say, the offices, everything. So उसमें जो भी cost लग रहा है. Okay, so for everyone who the Netflix is paying, that will be involved into their cost structures. And then finally, revenue streams, which they are generating from their customers. जो revenue मिल रहा है through subscriptions, that is their revenue stream. So I can just put any business into this model and I can just tell what is the business model canvas which this company is representing. ऐसा कोई भी business लो and you just put it, try to put it here. If you can put it easily, then you can say कि हाँ ये business काम करने लायक है. Okay, if you are not मतलब aware of maybe one channel, कैसे provide करेंगे products or services customers को, if you are not aware, if any one of the quadrant you don't have any answer for any one of the quadrant, then your business plan might not work. What is the value of providing to the customers? If you don't have answer for this, then it is very difficult for your business plan to work. तो ये एक small canvas है which you are going to study in this थोड़ा डिटेल, वैसे काफ़ी डिटेल में बता दिया मैंने बिजनेस मॉडल कैनवस. जस्ट एक और डिटेल में आफ्टर दिस बिजनेस मॉडल कैनवस, बिजनेस प्लान इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट, बिजनेस मॉडल भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये जो पीछे के हैं, जो पीछे के हैं ना, बिजनेस मॉडल, बिजनेस प्लान, दीज आर ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट, बट दे आर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स आफ्टर आर बिजनेस मॉडल कैनवस. ये कैनवस बनने के बाद में, इंडेक्स के बाद में हम लोग अंदर जाएंगे. ओके, तो इतना ही था, जस्ट अ काइंड ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर योर जस्ट सेकेंड मॉड्यूल का. अच्छा, उसके पहले जाने, हाँ एक गेम खेल के जाएंगे. ओके, सो बहुत ओल्ड गेम है. ओके, मतलब आई हैव डाउनलोडेड अ वीडियो ऑफ इट. ठीक है, दिस कैन नॉट बी प्लेड ऑन मोबाइल फोन, सो इफ यू हैव लैपटॉप्स ओनली देन यू कैन प्ले. Okay, it is a kind of a game of McDonald's. It is still there. I just checked it. It is still there. So I need to manage between. There are four things in here. Four things here. We are here. अच्छा, अभी इधर आ गए हम लोग. ठीक है. There was a farm. Okay. There is a factory. Okay. There is a store. McDonald's store है. Then the farm is having, ठीक है, थोड़ा नॉनवेज वाला गेम हो गया, बट ठीक है. तो ये इधर फॉडर है, इधर कैटल है. सो दिस इज इधर जा रहा है, फिर ये इधर आ रहा है, ये सब चेक कर रहा है. ओके, देन देयर इज अ ऑफिस. हाँ, एक ऑफिस भी है इधर. यू कैन डू एडवर्टाइजमेंट, यू कैन ट्राई टू इंक्रीज योर सेल्स, इंक्रीज योर स्टाफ. then इधर भी था, then you can increase the people to, if customers are more, okay, this is the manager, he will shout if anything goes wrong. And there is a farm in which continuously इधर इधर कुछ तो डेट आता है, ठीक है, इधर है नहीं, ठीक है, तो एक डेट आता है इधर जुलाई, एक मिनट, याद रहना, ठीक है चलो। तो किसको टाइम पास करना है तो खेल लो आज ये, ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट एक फार्म बनाया, ओके, सो फार्म है, कैटल है, देन हियर सम कैटल्स आर देयर, फॉडर इज देयर, देन इधर इधर कोई है नहीं, ठीक है, बनाना स्टार्ट हो गया, कस्टमर्स आ गए, फिर आई कैन जस्ट इंक्रीज एडवर्टाइजमेंट, इधर बजट है, फिर ये भी बताता है व्हाट इज दी है, so you can just have a fun and play this game today. Okay, so this is what is about today's session. ठीक है, तो next class we'll start it properly, the second module. I just wanted to give a introduction of second module. Okay, exactly है क्या, after you get an idea, you're being creative, you're being innovative, after that how to implement your idea and make it into a form of business. ठीक है, you never know what you can what you will fall into after MBA. So एक सब कुछ बैकअप रहना चाहिए, सब कुछ थोड़ा नॉलेज रहना चाहिए, so that's the reason थोड़ा सब्जेक्ट पे ध्यान दे सकते हैं. So that's it for today. Thank you. पूछना है? Okay. अरे who is tech and story? ठीक है, whoever it is, just write present sir and write name in front of that. And how will I come to know?
राकेश है और राकेश
क्या है, कौन है?
राकेश
राकेश, टेक एंड स्टोरी, अच्छा ठीक है, ठीक है, then anything else you want to ask or shall we stop? Hmm? ठीक है, then चलो, see you students, bye bye. चुप रहे, हाँ चले पड़ा. अंकिता, शुभम, कौन है? शुभम नागराज, सलीम, रिपु, पूनम, पूनम, किरण, पूजा, स्नेहा, नेहा, So वैसे ही पूर्णिमा अच्छा शिवानी वैष्णवी हर्षा संजना प्राची रेचल संजना प्राची रेचल राकेश प्रणाली रोहित नैना प्रणाली रोहित नैना नीना निकम मयूरी गजानन गजानन रत्नेश मीना प्रिया निखिल प्रिया निखिल दहेग नायक दहेग नायक टिक शुभम नैना सोमेश्वरी आशा किरण अरे ऐसे क्या कर रहा है बी है 2GI20 भी है 004 2GI20 भी है 004 006 0 4 004 006 007 009 010 012 013 014 016 018 010 021 022 023 024 025 026 027 028 बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मास्टर्स एमए है ना